Hey everyone. So you've got an Apple TV and you're wondering how to activate NordVPN on it. And let me guess, you searched for an app and nothing showed up, right? Yeah, Apple TV doesn't support VPN apps directly, but that doesn't mean you're out of luck. I've set this up myself, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to activate NordVPN on Apple TV, even if there's no app. Once it's done, you can stream geo-blocked content, protect your network, and finally get your full subscription's worth, no matter where you live. Option 1. Share VPN via your router, best and most stable. The most reliable way is to install NordVPN on your router. That way, every device in your house, including your Apple TV, connects through the VPN. Here's what I did. Logged into my router, in a browser, usually 192.168.1.1. Made sure my router supported OpenVPN or WireGuard. Most Asus, Netgear, and TP-Link routers do. Downloaded the .ovpn configuration file from my NordVPN account. Uploaded it to my router and activated the VPN client. Connected my Apple TV to that router's Wi-Fi. Boom. Apple TV is now under the VPN umbrella. Every app, Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, BBC, iPlayer, now sees the IP of the VPN server, not your real location. Option 2. Share VPN from a Windows or Mac OS device. If your router doesn't support VPN, you can still share your VPN connection from your computer. On Windows, connect to NordVPN, create a mobile hotspot. Share your internet via that hotspot with your Apple TV. It takes 5 minutes and works surprisingly well. On Mac, use internet sharing and system preferences. Share your NordVPN connection over Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Connect your Apple TV to that shared network. I've used both setups while traveling. In hotels, Airbnbs, even while tethering. Why I do this, and you should too. Apple TV is a streaming powerhouse, but it's also region-locked like crazy. Want to watch US Netflix in Europe? Or stream BBC in the States? Not going to happen unless you trick it with a VPN. And free VPNs? Forget it. They don't work with Apple TV. Even if they did, they're painfully slow and often blocked by the major streaming platforms. NordVPN solves this. Once it's activated, your Apple TV becomes region-free. You're no longer stuck with the content your country allows. Plus, your data is encrypted, your IP is hidden, and your ISP can't throttle your streaming. I've streamed 4K with zero buffering using NordVPN through my router. It's rock solid. One account covers up to 10 devices, so you're not just protecting your Apple TV. You also get protection for your phone, laptop, tablet, and more. Right now, if you use the link below, you'll get up to 76% off the 2-year plan. 3 months free. A free eSIM with mobile data. Optional antivirus plus cloud storage with advanced plans. Click the link in the description or check the pinned comment. Activate NordVPN once and unlock your Apple TV forever.